Namaskara. Welcome to Ahara Arogya Adhyatma, the light of Samskara. Today we have a renowned gynecologist and obstetrician with 35 years of experience, Dr. Parimala Devi. She is an extraordinary person because she is not only an expert in colposcopy, she is also in robotic surgery. And apart from that, she has set in a world record in scanning of the cervical cancer. And today she is going to talk about the cervix. What is cervix? How it gets affected and how it has to be prevented. She is going to explain to you. Welcome, Dr. Parimala Devi.
Good morning, madam, and my respectful pranams to you. And always I would like to say that Sanskrit word, Guruve Tasmai Namaha. You are the one who has taught us medical ABCD, and we are now very happy to still be active in our medical life with a little bit of physician's knowledge, because that's very important. Just because of our specialty, it doesn't mean that we should not know other things. We know about heart because of you, we can say. That is my, you are our heart throb, we can say, a little bit romantically. Of so many,
Okay,
and mine also.
okay.
Now, coming to this topic, always a burning topic, we can say, cervical cancer. As we are diagnosing more and more cases, more cancers these days because of technology, the radiology help, and also blood test, biomarkers. Cervical cancer still remains one of the challenging field for our gynecologist, because cervical cancer stands second in the order in the incidence of cervical cancer. It's about 1 in 25 women may develop cervical cancer in their lifetime. And breast is 1 in 8. It has come to that level. Now, in 1 in 8 diabetes, breast also is going parallelly with that, to see that our sleep is taken off totally. So this cervical cancer awareness, even though we are giving, still the level of control is still not coming. What is cervical means? It is not that bones which are at the back of the neck. Some people think like that as, oh, cervical bones here. It is not so. It is the cervix. We call it as Garbha Koshada Kuttiga in Kannada. Cervix, that is the mouth of the uterus. This is the part which is exposed for any sexual contact after the married life, and also because of the infection after the deliveries, after the abortions, or because of some bad water, bad life habits. This part gets very often infected, like our mouth. How in our mouth also, depending on our hygiene, the mouth also gets infected.
Ulcers, oral hygiene, if it is here oral also, hygiene is bad, it can have the,
Yes, here also the ulcers can come, and there can be some foul smelling discharge. Whenever there is a discharge or something, and a woman is having multiple deliveries, as a health checkup or whatever it is, she should consult the doctor and get it cleared then and there on. When that persistence of the infection happens, we are always worried about one virus called human papilloma virus. That is HPV virus. HPV. You know, like AIDS. AIDS means everybody is scared. That is human immunodeficiency virus. Our body immunity only will be taken off by that virus. That here, human papilloma virus, it usually affects the cervix commonly, other than fungal infection, bacterial infection, some other infection is common. But this virus, when it persists, and mainly the contact of infection is sexual contact. That is first one. Second one,
from the husband it comes to the wife, and from the wife it comes to the husband.
Yes, sexual contact is one of the integral part of the married life, because how they are going to get their progeny also.
If they have the unprotected sex, then also they can have.
That is also there. But most of the time, when the HPV virus stays here only, the minute it stays there, it doesn't create any infection. But repeated infection of one particular virus called HPV 16, HPV 18, 33, 34, there are some like that
variants,
bacche, uske bacche, like that. There are grandchildren, great grandchildren, like that 150, 160
mutations and all that.
Types of viruses are there. In that, some of these villain viruses are there which will infect the cervix and create some changes there called as cervicitis, or it can create some swelling. So that can be made out by the pap smear. So we keep on telling our women when they come to check up with the white discharge, please do a pap smear, because in that we will come to know relatively, it will sense us there is a HPV virus, 16, HPV virus not detected. So when that comes, the next test what we do is colposcopy. In colposcopy, we focus the light and then we see the cervix and start studying, is there any ulcer or anything like this. When there is an ulcer, we take a biopsy and send. So like this, cervical cancer can be prevented very well by a
Okay.
gynecologist or a doctor, common doctor also. If a lady comes to this one, if a mountain, if she doesn't go near the Muhammad, what she have to do? Muhammad only have to come near the mountain. That is the dialogue. Like.
Mountain has to come to Muhammad. If
Yes,
the lady
doctor
is
only.
not coming to the doctors will have to
Yes.
go there to
That also
do
is
the
given.
thing.
Now doctors are also going to the doorstep. There are a lot of camps from Karnataka
So
Cancer
you
Society.
have only done the world
Yes,
record
lot
in
of
the
mountains are moving
cervical.
to their doorstep. Still, it is difficult to catch up this one because they feel it's ignorant. It cannot happen to me. It can happen to others. That attitude is there. And
Yeah.
when it happens to others, then they run and come. By that time, sometimes some people will develop because 1 in 25 people can develop cervical cancer is a big number. They have to be very careful.
Okay.
So another thing, like once we know that there is some problem, very early stage, just it is in the cells only, because like flu or any other virus, this virus doesn't give any fever, cold, nothing, influenza.
Yeah. So
Here it
that's
is a
what I
local
wanted to ask,
inflammation,
because
silent
there
killer.
the viral infection we can make out, but here how to
Yes,
make out?
it is a silent killer. That's because of the
Okay.
silent killer, there is local inflammation only. So she
Yeah.
will not feel anything, some white discharge, and again she'll be all right. She will get going with her life. So,
Or
but when
during the coitus, she may have the pain and the bleeding
pain,
sometimes.
some people come in late stages post-coital bleeding. This is one important point you raised, madam. White discharge or post-coital bleeding, especially in elderly age group, should draw the attention, and they should immediately come to the gynecologist and get this test done. And there is a vaccination also available now, HPV vaccination. This is the only cancer, I think there is a virus has been the culprit. It is found out. But in other cancers, you tell me, no virus is spoken of. Breast cancer, are we speaking about the virus?
It's a
Intestine
lifestyle
cancer.
modification or
Yeah,
the other
this is
cancer
the credit
carcinogens.
goes to Jar Hussein, a scientist long back, who found this virus actually. Then this colposcopy was found by this Hussein and other people. So we could diagnose the early culprit only very early, and we can take it out by a cryocautery or by a thermoablation after a biopsy. Once biopsy tells that there is a cancer, then we have to go ahead with what stage it is. Second stage,
So
third stage.
that is the gold standard. Biopsy is the gold standard, which authentically tells this is the cancer. Okay.
Yes, cancer. That time we can do for surgery or chemotherapy, radiotherapy, depending. Otherwise, with simple treatment also, we can give our full good lifespan actually. And HPV vaccination is given for young girls up to 14 years or 14 to 26. Two category we have done. Sometimes they don't come up to 14. So that means
before they start their sexual life,
sexual debut,
it has to be given.
They should.
So before
Madam,
they
there
get
was
married,
one,
then yeah.
Yes, one adage was there. Early to bed, early to rise makes the man or
healthy,
woman wise.
wealthy, and
But
wise.
now we say for women, especially girls, when we go for the school program, early to bed in the sexual activity will spoil your life. So don't get into the sexual activity early in the life. Try to become wise by studying and making your future better. Take the vaccination, which will prevent your cervical cancer when you get into the married life.
Correct.
So that at least 70 to 80% protection is there from this virus. Government also is working on this to give this virus freely. And many association like IMA and
just
Karnataka Cancer
recently,
Society
the
are
women
working.
have won the World Congress. World Cricket champion. They have
Cricket.
become.
Cricket.
So when they have that much interest and stamina, every girl should see
Capacity.
that she is capable of doing everything, and then she must protect
Yes.
herself, take the vaccine, keep the distance from the unwanted
empower
sexual
herself.
activities, empower herself, study and do well, and then keep a very healthy life. That's a very good advice. Yeah, please go ahead.
And at this moment, I want to do my pranams to another empowering woman who is speaking to me, who had three undaring the standing ovations in one of the program in Kolhapur. That's what I came to know through somebody. It is not that easy to enthrall people with three orations successively, and getting the standing ovation is the real world record.
First, the second thing, I remember that when Nirmala Sitharaman, one of the very successful finance minister, she allocated budget for the vaccine. for the
Correct.
cervical cancer 2 years back. And how that program is going on? Is it helping the people or not?
It is helping the people, but awareness has increased. Some associations are trying to give the vaccination at a very subsidized rate. But when you go to the private category, it is when they want to buy the vaccine, the cost of the vaccine is high actually. So if the government puts a label that it should be given at this rate only, it should not be given at their own
The cost capping
marketing this
has
one,
to
then
be
it will
done.
help. It
Yeah,
is
correct.
yet to reach mass population, we can
Mass
say,
population.
even though it has
Okay.
been done.
And
It
here,
is yet to reach.
it is important. You said that it comes from the husband or the partner. So it is very imperative and important to vaccine the men also.
The male
So
partner
the boys
also,
and
yes.
the girls both have to be things.
Both,
So
yes.
what is the benefit among the men? Please
Yeah,
tell us.
these days we are making it aware that even man have to take, actually in Australia, the cervical, the cancer vaccine for the male, they have started very early, and almost they are eradicating the cervical cancer, pineal
Okay.
cancer now. That is the news. We have to find it out again.
Okay.
So whenever they come, the partners come, or whenever the husband and wife come, whenever a mother comes with her children, we usually make them aware it is not only for the girls, it's for the boys also, because boys can get pineal cancer out of this virus. Women can get, girls can get cervical cancer. Oral cancers and anal cancers are common in both the genders, and also it is intestinal cancers are also reported, because oral cancers are the third in the order now. So we have to make them aware to take the vaccine for boys also. So that the only thing, their maturation, we give the vaccine after 18 years, whereas girls we start within the 14 years, 14 to 26 age group, because they are going to go through the sexual activity and the deliveries, everything. So the agenda is different for ladies actually. So males are also one of the component. We have to prevent this cancer. More in the women means they have to be vaccinated.
Yes,
And
yes,
so that
yes,
it will
yes.
benefit them also.
Because the
So
root cause is from the
Yes.
men, and hence, if the virus is eradicated there, then the women will not get infected. That's
Yes,
how it
because
is.
semen has got its inherently lot of viruses in that. Even our
Viruses.
oral secretions are having this virus.
And
Even
also the
our
sperms
anal
can,
canal
Yeah.
is having
Yes.
this one. That's why
Plenty
anal
of,
cancer
yeah.
also reported because of this virus causative agent only. So the HPV virus has got lot of impact. We have to understand about it. It is a cervical cancer is highest in incidence in our India. 1/3 of the population is having cervical cancer in our India in the global incidence. 1 in 8 women die every day, we say. 1 in 25 is the incidence. 1 in 8 is the incidence of breast cancer. And in 1 in 50 women can develop breast cancer, cervical cancer in the lifetime. So we have to be very cautious. We have to
Very cautious.
take care of ourselves and spread the message also.
Yeah. And
society.
to prevent the oral cancer, not to eat the tobacco containing gutkas or pan masala.
Yes.
Along with that, the oral hygiene and then the vaccine. And for preventing this penile cancer as well as the anal cancer and the gut cancer, again, the vaccine has to be taken. So one vaccine and 5 benefits, both in men and women. I think it is a marvelous one. We can call it as a Rambana.
Correct.
Yeah, to prevent. And this is how, I'm really, really grateful to you, Parimala Devi. I learned a lot from you, and you have explained so beautifully. And I'm sure all the viewers will take the lesson and the advice from you. And if they have any doubts, they can contact you and then take your suggestions. And they are all welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you.